Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. Why you'd want to listen to radio or telephone calls when you can do that, I'll never know, but here we go. So, first thing, switch on Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you'll see the telephone there. Click on telephone, and you've got John's phone is already paired. He's claimed this is his new demonstrator. So pair new, Range Rovers, come up straight away. Click on Range Rover. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, 379393, 379393. Pair, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow connecting to Barry's iPhone, and there you go, it's connected. And let's just see, Range Rover connected. So that's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. So the first thing we do, the mobile is paired to the system, we go to music. There's the record, you see at the bottom, Range Rover there. But if I click on the two symbols at the bottom, you see iPhone or Range Rover. So if I click there, it'll just play through the iPhone. Click there, any sound, any audio that's playing on this phone will come through the speakers if you have it set up right. So let's just go back there. Let's see, there we go. So that's playing. I'm going to turn that up. Then we go over to the system, and you've got the clapper board here. Where is it? Clapper board there, and a music symbol. So if I click on there, it's on the radio at the moment. We don't want it on the radio. So now we go to source, radio, television, Barry's iPhone media library. We want Barry's iPhone 15. Then that's playing. Oh, I'll just click that again. That's playing, and we turn it up. The sound system in this vehicle, the Meridian speakers, is just absolutely awesome. It really is. I mean, let's just see. You see change device, rear media, we've got TV in it as well. But if I just click on that again, select source, settings, audio settings, there we go, audio settings. So here we go, I'll just click bass, bit more bass, click that, bit more treble, subwoofer, definitely, stereo Meridian, Dolby Pro Logic, Dolby Digital. So I don't want that, I've clicked that by accident. So that's all done now. Now we'll listen again. Absolutely superb. The sound system's fantastic. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. So from any screen, phone is there. That's pair device, Barry's iPhone. So those two phones are actually paired. We don't want to go there. What we need to do is go to settings. So the two cogs there brings up settings. You've got phone settings. Click on phone settings. Settings for all phones and Bluetooth settings. Onto Bluetooth settings. Pair new device or paired devices. You've also got forget all devices there, so you can wipe everything out there. If you want to wipe an individual one out, then paired devices, paired devices. God, fingers, there you go. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, John's phone, connect. Again, I don't want to connect, but click on there. It brings up a new menu, audio, phone. So if your audio's not playing, do the same thing. Make sure there's a tick in there. You've got off, on, primary phone, or forget device. Forget device. That's it. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. Any screen here, you see home there. You've got telephone, music, media, television, and you've got this direction arrow. Click on the direction arrow. Hello, sign into your account. You've got Blackburn Road there. Then you've got these 6 dots. Click on there, 6 dots. Search places your destination. Search. Click on there. Search for an address, place, or keyword. We are Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston. P. Oh, I've done 2 there. So P R 5 4 E A. We've got the green enter. Click on that. Searching offline. It's got us here. Were you looking for this? PR54EA. Click yes. And now, oh, click on the actual postcode that you can see there, and then click start.
After 250.
Right, well, that gives spoken instructions as well, but unfortunately the radio was on. What I should have done was changed it to source so we could hear it clearer. Okay, I'll just show you how to use Apple CarPlay in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. Apple CarPlay, this car's got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming, sat-nav. Apple CarPlay is the best thing. This is wired Apple CarPlay. So if I put my charging lead in there, in one of these 2 ports in here, and then Jeff buys cars. We just wait. You see Apple CarPlay comes up here, and remember this, it's important to do this, otherwise every time you get in you're going to have to do the same. You're going to have to connect your Apple CarPlay. So remember, for this device, just watch it, Apple CarPlay with Range Rover while phone is locked. Important, otherwise you're going to have to touch your phone every time you want to do something. And here we go. Don't have to touch this anymore. So that's Apple CarPlay there. You can do anything with Apple CarPlay. It's absolutely brilliant. But before I do that, what I will show you is, this is a bit of a pain. There's just nowhere to put your phone. You end up putting it here, you're not supposed to touch it, or you stick it in the cup holder, or inside there. I mean, that's, my phone is too long for that, so I'll end up smashing the screen. But a very nice company have sent me this CarPlay adapter box, and I have to say it's brilliant. So just watch this. It's got Apple CarPlay in. We've done done it through the lead. That's it. It's just got a USB there. Now, some Range Rovers, you can't fit this in because it's too close to the side, and it needs to be, that should be over here, but it's not. So what I do, I've just bought this adapter lead, so now this will fit in any car. So all I have to do is put that in there like so, plug this in like that. Oh. Plug it in like so, get your phone, just wait. Now what I probably need to do is go to settings, and then watch out at the bottom, wait for something to happen. Is this showing? You see we've got green lights there. Now it's come up, look. Use iPhone Bluetooth Connect to AI box, Bluetooth pairing request, pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. With a bit of luck, this should change in a second. Use CarPlay. There you go, Apple CarPlay. It's now got Bluetooth Apple. I'm sure it's only about 30 quid. It's worth its weight in gold. As soon as you get in the car, it will automatically connect to your Bluetooth now. Now I'll show you how good Apple CarPlay is. It's fantastic. So where's the voice control on here? Voice control on here. 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You see there, go buttons come up. You don't have to touch it because you've told it, and it will assume that you actually want to go there. You're on your way to Manchester Airport. You want to stop off somewhere. Take me to Costa Coffee.
One possibility is Costa Coffee on Queen Street in Preston. It adds 9 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Costa Coffee.
So it's going to take me to Costa Coffee first, and then to Manchester Airport. And you can do that with, if you've got a pickup, if you're stopping on the way. But the main thing is, you can be driving down the motorway, and you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. You just tell your phone, or you tell this through voice activation, you want to play a track. 2 seconds. Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
So I'll just put it onto Apple Music here. I'll just change it. So that's playing the Beatles there. You want to play a specific track. 2 seconds. Play Cold Little Heart.
Now playing Cold Little Heart, Radio Edit, by Michael Kiwanuka on Apple Music.
So you can play any individual track. It's absolutely fantastic. But again, it doesn't end there. It's such a good system. 2 seconds. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
So it's calling me.
Hi, this is Barry. Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment.
So that was me. So it's called me. You want to send a text. Again, you're driving along the road, you remember something, you want to send a text. So 2 seconds. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
Just testing this Range Rover 5 litre and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant.
It says, just testing this Range Rover 5L and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
So it's sent. Now, you'll see there, that's come up on my phone, but I can't touch my phone. Messages. We've got one message there. Again, if I touch that, it will read it to me. But I don't have to touch it. Voice activation, 2 seconds. Read messages.
Barry said, just testing this Range Rover 5L and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Play Audible.
I'll need to access your Audible data to use the app. Is that okay?
Yes.
The Running Grave by Robert Galbraith, now playing on Audible.
Prologue. All individuals are not equal.
So that's Audible. And then you've got all the rest of the things. It's Amazon Music. We've got Spotify, YouTube Music. You can access any of those while you're driving without actually doing anything, without touching your phone. Your phone can be in your pocket. So it's all thanks to Apple CarPlay and this little device, CarPlay adapter box. And you can also get it for the USB-C socket. So brilliant.